this ever happened to you? Ice. Jesus, a lot of ice. All the bags are stuck to the bottom. It's because it's not draining right?
Apparently.
There's a drain down there somewhere?
It's stuck.
Let me get you a crowbar.
Not yet.
Ice pick.
Maybe a hair dryer.
That'll take forever.
Oh my god.
Beat it harder.
Get out of here. It ripped my bag open.
It was stuck to the ice?
Yeah, that was my pork loin. Oh my gosh. Now my shrimp.
She said loin.
You got shrimp stuck down there too?
Yeah, daddy shrimp.
That's what she said.
Pop a shrimp from the river. Oh.
You know ice pick it?
Yeah.
I think that was tape that was on there. Did you pried it loose and then you can
Yeah,
pull the
just
whole
like
door out?
this.
Gee, that's a lot. How long have you let this go?
You let it go. I didn't let it go.
Why is it so crazy? Oh.
Alright, it's time to take it outside.
Let it melt and then we can get
No,
the
we'll
stuff
bust
off of
it. Let's go bust it.
Alright.
So I can get my shrimp out of there. One.
Yeah, I did it.
There we go. Alright, pull it
You
up.
can get your shrimp out of there. Still stuck? That's a lot of ice just for the drainage.
These are probably bait shrimp now. I don't know if I want to eat them.
Check them out and see how they smell.
Probably stank.
You're gonna have to tap the ice inside like this. That'll come up. All right, now that I'm recording, cheap cardboard looking back.
Yeah, this is
You have to take
cardboard.
off.
I think I'm gonna need a. All right, this is what you call this, a nut thing,
A nut thing, a screw.
wrench. I think for.
So when you painted around the.
Yeah,
was what
nobody
you could
looks
reach.
behind the refrigerator.
I can tell. No one looks behind the
Stop recording my filth.
Can't help it when you wanted me to do this. Don't stop working. I can't fit back there. Well, I can, but I don't want to.
You can stop recording. I did this, and then it kind of like all just started to come off, and it's very, very dusty down here. I think I need a vacuum cleaner. So,
Do you need me to grab the vacuum cleaner?
do that. Oh my gosh.
See, it
How
probably
old is
just
this
needs cleaning.
refrigerator? We haven't had this thing that long. Alright, it says unplug so you don't get shocked. Oh my gosh. So, everything's unplugged. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you should, oh my gosh, you should see the dust. Why is it so dusty?
Because we're filthy.
It's disgusting.
Filthy animals.
Here, let me see the camera. And I'll record it. Looks like something from a horror movie.
So what are you going to have to...
I don't even really know. I don't see anything
Unfreeze.
that's frozen. I think I'm gonna just
Should we call
vacuum it
somebody?
out and- I don't know. All right, here, I'm gonna investigate a little further.
You ready?
Yeah, I need a flashlight, I think.
Are you gonna burn it?
No,
That's not a
I
lighter.
wish I could.
That's not a lighter, that's a
right.
screwdriver.
So I watched a few
Yeah, we get some honey.
YouTube videos and
What? We did not? We know how to do this.
and looked up online, and it appears it's a clogged condensate drain, and it's
What is
already dripping down there. Everything's starting to melt.
A clogged
think I'm-
condensate drain.
All right, y'all keep laughing at me, all right?
I am.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this back panel off. I took everything out. I took the shelves out. So I don't
You
think
didn't
it
take
has
the ice thing
anything to do with the back of the freezer. So I'm going to have to put that thing back on, but I'm going to vacuum it out because it looks really...
You're going to vacuum out
the back of the...
Oh, give me some honey.
Give him some honey.
Because it looks really nasty back there. So I'm going to vacuum that out and put the thing back on. But I'm going to take this back panel off with these, with this thing right here and unscrew these. And I'm going to look back here and probably get the hairdryer out and blow dry it and see what it looks like, and then go from there.
All right, cool. So is that snake thing working?
Yep. Flashlight.
Does it need to be recharged?
I hope it's not too hard to put this thing back on.
Yeah, me too. So I'll be doing it if it is. Okay, it's going this time.
Okay. I unscrewed all these things and it's not coming off, so I got the hairdryer and I'm trying to break up. There's pieces were falling from back here, down here, melting all down here. And it's a real hassle, and I'm trying to figure out whether I want to take this whole back piece off by taking these screws out too and taking it all apart, and, or if I just want to do this. But since I'm already went through all this hassle of taking everything out of the freezer and doing all this, I might as well go ahead and finish.
Yeah, I'll try and get that out with a screwdriver or something.
Okay.
And we'll show it if I can.
Alright, this piece you have to just kind of lift up on it and it comes out like that.
Ah!
And then
This piece you lift up on.
it just comes out like that afterwards. So
Alright.
now the other piece should come off pretty easy. Once,
So you had to take everything out in order to get that one piece.
yeah, now it's...
Uh-oh, maybe it's frozen.
I don't know, there's something up here.
Oh, look at
You have
that.
to lift it up over those tabs.
Look over tab A and slot B.
Ew.
There
Smells
you go.
kind of funny.
Well, it is a refrigerator. Freezer.
Okay, make sure I have a flashlight on that. Or if it's clogged, which must be it.
It should be a drain that's clogged.
Where is the drain?
Oh.
There's some ice right there. That's probably it right there.
Oh.
Because those are drains.
Right? That's like
Those are some metal
radiator,
drains.
isn't it? It's like the thing that cools it.
Yeah, but that isn't that pipe, that copper pipe, a drain?
No, no water goes through there.
I don't know what to do.
It's part of the refrigeration system.
Alright, I guess we'll just go with it. Oh, so we found the drain. Are we ready? Okay.
Yeah. There's a light.
There's a light.
Oh, hang on. Oh.
There's Chase's.
It's, okay, there it goes. It's counting. So you found it?
Yes, I found the condensate drain. It's right here, and there's a lot of ice around it, so I need to get my hair dryer and break it up. I don't even know if we had to really take off all this stuff. Maybe because this
Probably
piece right,
get to it.
probably because this piece right here is the grate was covering it up. So that's what
All
I'm
that
going to
ice
be
you
working
chipped
on.
out of there from underneath there. And we made all kinds of funny comments and I wasn't recording.
Yeah, and I was like, yes, there it is. Missed it. Okay.
You man.
I'm the man.
Now, could you see that drain from the back? That little hose might be all stopped up too.
Do what again?
Did you see the drain from the back? Because that little hose might be all stopped up too.
You mean when I was in the back of the
Because it's full of water, yeah.
Yeah, it's not draining, is it?
Mm-mm. Don't poke holes in the hose.
I bet
We
that's
will
what
need a part. Then I'll have to buy a new refrigerator.
I see ice down in there. Jeez. Okay, so I guess I need to go back there.
Back in the dirt.
And dust. I don't even know where to begin to look down here.
Well, it's on this side. Should be not far from the... Here, let me see if I can look at it. Alright, so this is the drain that is frozen up. So we have to figure out how to
Maybe I can just keep using
put you can take the hair dryer on this part right here, but it's going to blow dust everywhere. So you might want to vacuum it first.
Well, I'll just keep holding the hair dryer on this part and see if it breaks apart.
You can do whatever you want to do, honey. Cleaning the tuchus.
No, pain in the tuchus.
Oh, pain in the tuchus. All right, it's hot, 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 hot. Very hot.
Ouch, Roger.
I told you it was hot.
Serious.
Does it need a warning label? It looks like something's draining. No, she's sitting there.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's just sitting there right now. I don't know. No, I see it at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Sorry, that'll be better than the what's it called?
Might need another thing. I've scorched my knuckles though. Can you put it in a different cup, like a measuring cup that doesn't get hot on the outside? You know, like
Okay.
a measuring cup.
You don't like the Picard cup?
No. No, it's hot quite a few
It's
times.
still boiling too, so be careful. Got it? No labels? Oh. Did you call me? Charlie? Can't believe that hasn't got it loosened up by yet already.
I hear something. Sounds like it's breaking.
Yeah,
Like a piece of ice that's breaking.
it's probably the refrigerator breaking. It's cracking.
I might have to keep doing this like quite a few times. You know what I mean? It's the ice down here.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Darn. I want to see that water go away up there. Oh, it looks like. No, it's spilling over now. It's not. Well, it's been like 3 hours and that thing hasn't unthawed yet. So we're going to use this little turbo snake on the inside of the little drain pipe. Maybe clean it out. I don't know what's causing it to be stuck, but pour boiling water and it still isn't cleaning out. So I'm going to try this thing.
Well, there we go.
I wonder if I can go in there and look and see if it's coming through on the
not
inside.
wanting to. Whoop, something just went down. All the water just went down whenever I did.
Yay!
So I'm
wonder if
gonna
there's a
cut
piece of
myself
ice.
on that.
Yeah, be careful. It's a big curvy pipe that it goes down into. It looks like it had some kind of stuff
Hair
in
or
there.
something?
Twist it the other way, because it, here, hand it to me. There you go. Let me go see where it is on the other side. I do not even know it was clogging it up, but it was clogged up.
Maybe it was like one little small piece of ice or something. Just hanging in.
Yeah,
Whatever,
but it's draining now.
for a long time. We probably should vacuum up some.
Oh, I need some milk. Got that piece back in.
Get them started and then I'll tighten them up.
Put them all back together now. Hopefully no more ice on the bottom.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
So anyone that does this must have one of these tools called a snake driver. because you
don't have to, but
Well,
it
they don't
helps
have to.
out.
It'll a lot easier. Yeah. All right, so I got all these pieces back in. Did it all by myself.
I did not help.
No, and I've got
That was
to.
cool.
Now I got to put the shelves back in the right way, and
Get it cranked back up.
yep. And hopefully we don't have water on the floor anymore,
Yeah,
or ice in the bottom.
Yeah, big old thick ice. We are back in action. Got everything hooked back up. Ready to go.
Myself.
Yeah, look at your bad self. Almost got it back?
This one, this is being a stubborn head. Might just leave it off.
No one's gonna see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did vacuum it all out though. Tried to anyway. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Come on, tiger pants. Come on, push.
I just have to make sure it's straight. Bring out.
I'm gonna get it closer to the
Yeah.
counter. Alright, the peanut butter fits back perfectly. So,
Very good.
I think you're done. Yep. Now it's probably quick. Yeah, it still looks fine. Alright, this is the Whirlpool Gold.
But it's probably the same as a lot of the Whirlpool.
That's what it looks like.
I think we got this about 4 years ago, maybe.
Yeah.
But they still make them look just like this, the Whirlpool,
And that's a little
with the
fat
ice
dog.
maker in the door.
Alright, Boom Pals app, like, subscribe, and comment.